Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have a pre-intermediate lesson for you and we are going to be talking about quantifiers. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, quantifiers. A lot of, a little, a few, enough, much, many. All of these are quantifiers in English. Let's begin. Quantifiers are used to show the amount or quantity of something. Amount is amount. Quantity is a number, 1, 2, countable. Basically, countable and uncountable. If you haven't seen my video about countable and uncountable nouns, watch it with the link above. Use quantifiers before nouns. A little and much are used with uncountable nouns. A little coffee. Too much sugar. Too much is common. What does too much mean? Too much means more than you want. A few and many are used with plural countable nouns. For example, a few books. Books are countable. 1, 2, 3 books. A few toys. And a few usually means 3 to 4. In this photograph, there are 3 toys. But you can also say a few toys. Batman, Joker, and Superman. What do you see? Well, I see too many books. Too many books. Yes, I have a lot of books. Too many books. In this case, too many means more than you need. So too much, too many, very similar. The difference is too much is uncountable. Too many is countable. Too much coffee, too many books. A lot of and enough, or not enough, are used with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. A lot of equals a large number or amount of something. Again, number is countable. For example, books. Amount is uncountable. For example, coffee or rice or sand. Uncountable. A lot of rocks. A lot of movies. A lot of grass. Enough means a sufficient or adequate amount of something. This means you do not need more of it. It is enough. It is a sufficient or adequate amount. For example, enough water. I don't need more. Not enough water. Maybe I need more water. Okay, let's talk about how to use quantifiers in English. Much and many are used in negative sentences and questions. For the next examples, negative sentences will be in orange, questions in green. There isn't much coffee in the cup. How much coffee would you like? Just a little, thanks. Here, I want you to focus on the question. How much coffee would you like? How much is a very common question. The answer, just a little, thanks, we will talk about in one moment. A lot of and lots of are used instead of much and many for positive sentences. A lot of, lots of, it's the same meaning. You can use both. Lots of coffee, a lot of coffee. It's the same. There isn't much cream in the fridge. Negative. However, there is lots of milk. Positive. So much and many, it's more common to use for negative sentences. A lot of, lots of is common for positive sentences. We use a lot and a little to answer the question, how much or how many of something. How much coffee would you like? Just a little, thanks. Or a lot. A little, a lot. How much coffee would you like? A lot. I'm really sleepy. Maybe you need a lot of coffee because you are sleepy. I do. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the video. Ask me your questions in the comment section. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much again. I will see you next time. Bye.